Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You must establish you are the vehicle owner before proceeding. Start by locating registration and ID, then try any spare or valet key you have. If you only have a fob, make sure the battery isn't dead. A weak fob can mimic a lockout. Once done, call your insurer or roadside service and give them exact vehicle details so they can verify ownership remotely. This avoids damaging locks and keeps you within legal boundaries while accessing professional help. Once you've confirmed ownership and ruled out spares, reach out to trained professionals. An authorized locksmith or dealer can use proper diagnostic tools to unlock without damage. They may reprogram a key or open the door safely. Make sure to request identification checks and an itemized estimate up front. If you're in a public place, move to a well-lit area and stay with the vehicle until help arrives. This minimizes risk and preserves warranty and resale value. After resolution, take preventive measures to avoid future lockouts. Get a professionally cut spare key and register it with the manufacturer. Store it securely. If service was delayed or failed, keep a log of times and communications for disputes or insurance claims. If someone attempts to force entry or you suspect theft, prioritize safety. Move to a safe distance and call police immediately. Following these steps protects your property and ensures legal, non-destructive access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.